Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is a quick video to actually explain the best way to install Windows 8 on a computer. I'll be doing a series of videos showing you how to actually install Windows 8, and this is going to be the first in that series. This video is going to explain two ways of installing Windows 8 and why you shouldn't actually upgrade your Windows 8 install, but you should rather either do a second partition or install it on an old computer. If you have an old machine lying around doing nothing, maybe that's what you should do. You have two ways of installing Windows 8, and one is to go, of course, on the Microsoft page, download the update and follow the instructions, and that's the way to go, the easy way to go, I would say, on a Windows 8 machine. Now, the problem with the installation of Windows 8 preview on such a machine is the fact that you will replace a full working Windows 8 computer with something that's like a beta version or a preview, which is an incomplete Windows. Personally, I don't think that's the good way to go. Installing a preview over your Windows machine has a big problem, is that you can't roll back, and if you want to roll back, you basically need to use a reinstall disk of some sort or a recovery disk of your computer and totally scrap the Windows install and just start over again. The other reason why you shouldn't install Windows 8.1 over your Windows 8 install is that a preview version is really a test version. So there's lots of bugs, lots of problems, and an example I can give you with that is that I've downloaded both Windows 8 on 64 bits and 32 bits. And well, the 64 bits version never wanted to install on all three of my computers. The 32-bit version does install, and so we will actually install the 32-bit version of Windows 8.1 or Windows Blue on the machines. So that's the videos we'll be doing now. So look at those videos if you are interested in installing and trying out Windows 8. So don't touch your Windows 8 install. If you have that new computer with Windows 8 on it, don't upgrade to Windows 8.1 with that computer. Instead, if you have an older machine, maybe take an older computer. For example, here I have a dual core tower that I use for other things that's installed in my office. So I will be installing Windows 8 actually on that machine because I don't mind playing around. It's basically a machine that's there for that, playing around with the operating systems, installing new stuff. You can install it on your Windows 8 machine if you have no other machines, but what you should do is actually reduce the size of your hard drive and do a second partition and install it in a Dualboot environment. And for that, you'll need to download the ISO files and burn them on a DVD, because you cannot install on a second partition, do a Dualboot in the upgrade process of Windows 8 itself. And the last thing is that if you have no Windows 8 machine but you'd like to try it out, well, this is your chance, because this is a free version of Windows 8 basically, and even better, it's 8.1, which is the operating system that will be available coming later this summer. So if you don't have Windows 8 and you want to try it out free of charge, well, you just have to download it from the internet. If you're looking for the ISO files, all you have to do is go to just Google Windows 8.1 preview download, and you'll be sent to the page where you can download. Just go lower in the page, download the ISO file in your preferred language and 32 or 64 bits. and then you'll have to use either a piece of software to burn that ISO file onto a blank DVD, or if you're in Windows 7, you can actually, in Windows 8, you can actually just click the ISO file and you have the burn options already there in these operating systems. So basically what you'll want to do is make yourself a full-fledged DVD of Windows, and this is what I've done. So this is my Windows 8.1 DVD that I've made. It's the 32-bit version, and so we'll be installing that and actually making a review of it.